What's up, guys? I'm Andy from 1A Auto. Here today I have some assortments of different trim set clips that come for different vehicle manufacturers. We have Nissan, Chrysler, and GM here today. We have many others on the website. So what you can do is, if you have an older GM vehicle, a lot of times the door clips will break. So it's a good idea to have all these different fasteners and clips. This is the Chrysler kit. This actually has the door lock rod clips. These always break and it's always hard to find these. This is the Nissan kit. This has a lot of different fasteners for Nissans that you would need if you have an older Nissan. Get yours at 1aauto.com and you'll be ready to rock and roll.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.